Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, YouTube paid me 150 something dollars. That's more like 200 and yeah, 60 something thousand naira currency. Yes. Oh, testimony time. I'm telling you, YouTube pays. Yeah, I got that amount of money without AdSense. Yes, without my AdSense pin. How did it happen? Are you sure? Tamaka, what are you saying this time around? Why will you be deceiving people? Blah, 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 blah. This time is not. I'm too excited. Yeah, yes. YouTube paid me that amount of money. How did it happen? Yeah, because of my besties, the wonderful besties I have here. Some of them, when I got monetized and all that, they were excited of what I'm doing in this my channel. And some of them approached me and they were like, okay, how can we help you? How can we support your channel? I was like, okay, I want to get some of my gadgets, for my tripod, my mic, my podcast mic, and if you can see I'm sweating, even the fan is on, and you can see at the side of the fan to show you how excited I am. So that was it, and I got a gift of 250 something thousand naira in naira currency, yes. Yeah, but that was paid through dollars. And then I'll also review some of my bestest channels. I think I got like $20 from the reviewing of channels. And those channels, they applied for their monetization and they get through. Yeah. Testimony time. Testimony time. And so this testimony will not be complete without me unboxing the things I bought with the money. So this one came in yesterday. I'm going to be putting some of the back, how do I say it? The videos I recorded when I went to go and pick this from GIG of Nepal freaking like yeah, that's Nigeria for you. So let's see what this is. Yeah, I'm not opening it yet. I'm not opening it yet. Makes my hand get sweaty. I'm telling you, YouTube paid. And when you are doing what you are doing in the right way, you are passing value, you are creating content, your content has value on them, people will definitely come for you. Yeah, this is my wireless mic. This is my wireless mic. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you see that? I don't even know how this works. Yeah, I see the casing. Do, 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 do. Yeah, this magnetic. Yeah, magnetic mic, plug and play, a double mic, and this is the one that you clip on the phone, and this one will be on your body, and this one if you have another content creator that you're creating content with. Yes, I'm going to. Yeah, the second one is. Yeah, this is the second one. This is the second one. Yeah. The Pro Desktop live microphone is a podcast microphone plug and play as well. Yeah, why am I so sweaty like this? Ooh. Let me not spoil anything. No. Yeah, it comes with yeah, the reflex. Yeah, this is the um plug. I mean, yes, I think yes, the plug and this. Yeah, people should not mind me, or if I don't even know how to fix this. Hmm. Yeah. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Thank you, my bestie that made this happen. Yeah, see my podcast, my no more. This not noise cancellation. No more noise in the background, no more. I'm going to set it. Let me not push it and I'll make a mistake and all that. I'm going to set it up. Yeah, and another one is this. Where did I get this from? This one is from, yeah, I think I've bought tripod from these people before. It's Austin Best String Light Store. Austin Best String Light Store. Yes, I'm also going to put some clip. This one I didn't order for it. I went to their show. So this one I'm going to make a video on how to test it. It's a long tripod with overhead. So you're going to be getting a lot of, yeah, overhead and content both in, yeah. Yeah. God is good. Oh. He has done for me. He has done for me. So, what am I trying to say? Good things. YouTube page. And if you are creating a good quality, not quality, valuable content, and you are good to people, you react to people in a good way. Oh, let me get, fun. I'm really sweaty here. Yeah, I was saying I went to go and get standing fan because I was sweating so much. Yeah, when you are creating a quality, not say quality, when you are creating valuable content that people can relate with and it can solve people's problem, I'm telling you that you're going to get, a lot of supporters. And I think this is mind blowing. Initially, when the person was asking my, details, I was thinking like, are you sure these people are not fraud? The kind of things that are happening. I don't know this person from anywhere, from USA, and even those that requested for my review of their channel. For them to have that, trust in me that I can actually review their channel and they get monetized without any issues. I really appreciate that so much. It means a lot to me. So you can see now I review people's channel and they pay me for it. It's not for free. Yeah. So that is it. And because of what I do on my channel, I was able to get all this for free. Yes, and that means YouTube have paid me without my AdSense being here, without me getting my pay. Actually, that's another good news. I'm going to share that one. Let me not just, yeah, I've gotten my AdSense, but it has not arrived. So that's what I'm saying. If you're applying for your AdSense, make sure you put your number. The first address, it's two addresses that is there. Make sure that the first address there, put your number. Do you know that I put, the address I put for my access pin to be delivered is in Imo State, Owerri. But when my access came like 3 days ago, I got a call from someone in Night Post in Lagos. Yeah, telling me that my access has arrived. Do I need them to call it for me or should they, send it down to me? I said, yes, I want to see it. I want to see the letter. They should send it down. Now he has sent the night post people that have sent it. They say to first of all get to the night post of Imo State before the address I use, before it will get to the address I use. So you can see that means they are even tracking the AdSense from, and I'm going to give credit to Favor Matsu. Yes, she was the one that opened my eyes. And she made a video when she was having issue with her AdSense and all that. And yes, that time I've not even gotten monetized. I've not even gotten to my 1,000, subscribers. So even a couple of the 4,000 watch hour. But what did I do? I saved that video so that it will, when it gets to the time I will use it, it will not be a problem. And that was what I did. You can see now, the person even sent me WhatsApp, evidence to show you that this is my own AdSense pin. And, the address I use, the phone number and everything, I'm going to attach it somewhere here for you to see. So you can see things are going so well. That means I was able to get paid 100 and something dollars without my AdSense. So you can see it's not a traffic. I'm not just doing clickbait. You can see that was what happened. Imagine I'm supposed to be setting this thing as I was, as I'm gisting. Yeah. So this is overhead tripod. Don't mind me never keeping like so. Today will be the last time you will be hearing noise in my videos, yes, because I'm not using mic right now. So that's when I'm using mic. Other ones I normally use apps to remove the voice enhancer. But this one I'm not going to remove any noise because my fan is on here and you'll be hearing the sound of the noise. But that will be the last noise you will hear in my content. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. I have a tripod and this one. I needed to get this one because I most of the time I do other content outside my sit down content. So this is it. Yeah, I think yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, my bestie. Don't worry, if the person want me to tag him or her, the person that gave me the gift, if the person want me to tag their name or acknowledge them, I'm going to put it. But for now, I've not gotten any go ahead to put their name out there. Yeah, that's why I've not mentioned the person. But God bless you, Rico. God bless you, bless your family. And everything that you desire in this world, God is going to give it to you. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, there are wonderful people out there. Just be good. And when your spirit is in line with theirs, this is quite, you can see it's 3 step or thereabouts. It's quite long. Very, very long. So any length you want to cover, you can get it. Yeah, let me just leave it here so that this video is not going to be too long as because I'm too excited. Here, another of my gadgets, another of my tools are still on the way because the money is yeah. So you put this one so that you can get different angles of your contents. Yeah, I'm trying to set the screw. I'm trying to get the screw right. Yeah. So that is it. On my name. It's going to be free. Yeah. So this is it. You cannot, put it in a way you want. See, your phone will be here. So in case for those that are doing cooking content, this is going to be helpful to you. This overhead tripod if you are cooking or maybe you want to show the back end of your if you're doing sit down tutorial or sit down content, you can put another of your video here to get another angle while the other phone is in front. Yeah, so that is it. You can turn it, and if you're doing cooking content, that means your phone will be far away from the hotness of your gas or your pot or anything. So here it can cover. Yeah, with the I'm coming. It has phone hook. Yeah, so this for you to hook this here. You're going to be attaching this here for your phone, and then you switch it to different way. And this one is for controller for the phone as well. Yeah, don't worry. You'll be seeing some of wonderful content coming to your way soon. So that's it. This is for you to control your phone hook to the every angle you want it to be. La la la. Thank you so much for all the people that made this happen. All my besties that came for their review that trusted me for that and for wonderful gifts. And don't worry, more is still coming. And yes, YouTube pays. It pays. I don't know what to say again. And I know that yes, yes, yes. Nothing more to say. But happiness wants to wound me. Oh, happiness wants to wound me. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm going to be plugging this and then I'll see how it works. Hello, 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 hello. And then this is my wireless magnetic Yeah, very, very magnetic. So it's either you clip it to your clothes, or you magnet it. So it has a magneto as well for you to magnet your phone, so that it's safe. Thank you for watching. And so if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can see wonderful things that are happening here. I know that definitely you get value, because those that did it, they got value. And not just value, your personality matters, the way you relate to people and everything, it matters as well. So just be nice, and good things is going to come your way. Yes, loving my birthdays. And if it's the first time of seeing me, please, my name is Shamaka Kumabo. And please subscribe, share my videos, watch the ads, and then you can also join my membership. Yes, I also have membership people, people that are in my membership. So you can be part of them too, so that you're going to enjoy the exclusive perks that we have in this channel. See you in my next video. Bye. Yes, when my AdSense come here, you will see it. But for now, I'm enjoying YouTube money without the AdSense. Ciao.